Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs and the Idiot Quilter, and just my weekly reminder that Walter and I will be live on the air today, November the 28th, 2021, at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I hope you can join us for today's conversation. Today's theme, getting ready for the holidays, I guess, might be what we should be calling it, because I am thinking about digging out all the Christmas decorations in another day or two and getting those all set up. So when you do your Christmas decorating, and maybe you've done it already, do you go all out? Do you decorate every room in your house? Are there tons and tons of decorations that take you days to put up? Or are you a bit of a minimalist and, maybe decorate one room and put up a tree and that's it? So let's talk a little bit about that today. And of course, we're going to talk about some other things as well. Walter bought a new expensive toy, got a Black Friday sale, and I bought some Black Friday things as well. So we'll talk a little bit about whether or not people cashed in on Black Friday. And there's so much more. So I hope you can join us. That's today, November the 28th, 2021 at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hope to see you then. Bye for now.